You can really save big by making your own magnesium oil from magnesium bath flakes or magnesium chloride. Simply mix equal amounts of magnesium chloride with boiled distilled water. Now you don't have to have boiling water to dissolve the magnesium. You just boil in the water to make sure it's clean. You're using distilled water because distilled water is considered an empty water and it's going to absorb more of the properties. But if you don't have distilled water, you can certainly use any filtered water. Now you're going to stir it until it's completely dissolved. Pour it into a spray bottle, water bottle, lotion bottle, whatever you have on hand. Now, magnesium oil is not an oil at all. It is simply magnesium chloride dissolved in water, but it feels very oily. So it is normally placed in a spray bottle for personal use. Magnesium chloride is an easy-to-absorb form of magnesium that may be able to raise levels of this nutrient within the body when applied topically to the skin. Some benefits of using magnesium oil may include sleeping more easily at night, not needing to use a deodorant, being more calm, reducing pain, and more. Relaxing muscles and easing cramps, boosting mood and lowering anxiety, supporting bone health and preventing osteoporosis, enhancing skin health and healing wounds, regulating blood pressure, and preventing hypertension. To use magnesium oil, you can follow these steps. Apply magnesium oil to your skin, rub it in gently, wait for it to dry, and rinse it off after 20 to 30 minutes if you want to. Now, it's best to start with a small amount of magnesium oil and gradually increase the amount over time as your body adjusts to it. You can apply magnesium oil to any area of your skin, but some people prefer to apply it to the feet or legs before bed. Now, magnesium oil for fibromyalgia is a little different. You want to apply magnesium oil 4 sprays per limb twice daily for weeks. Now that's legs and arms. Be patient and persistent. Significant improvement may come in as early as 2 weeks and it may take 4. Now, as a massage therapist, I had great results using trigger point therapy for some types of fibromyalgia. Now, some question if transdermal application makes the magnesium more absorbable or not. So why do we have creams and patches for hormones and nicotine patches? Why are we told that the skin is the largest organ of the body and be careful what is being absorbed through the skin? Only you can determine if it works for you or not. Patience and persistence. It takes time to drastically increase magnesium levels, so it's important to stick with our regular applications. Keep track of your well-being and ailments prior to starting your regular applications to see how magnesium affects you and whether you need to change your dosage. Now, it's unclear whether preparing magnesium oil with fat makes it more absorbable. So I'll be doing a video on the best way of making a lotion with magnesium oil. Now, the first few times applying magnesium oil spray may result in some uncomfortable tingling, and this sensation should dissipate the longer you use it. But be sure not to apply magnesium oil to freshly shaven skin as it will cause irritation. Now, massaging it into the skin promotes blood flow and ultimately maximizes the absorption of the magnesium oil. Magnesium oil is used by the body primarily in the area of application, so muscle cramps and soreness can be alleviated using massage and magnesium oil as a treatment. As a sports rub, adding essential oils like wintergreen oil can be added to the magnesium oil to create a more potent massage oil for sports massage. Now, some users say direct application of magnesium oil can create a tingling or stinging sensation that they do not enjoy. So soaking in magnesium chloride diluted in a hot water bath for around 20 minutes can be a great alternative. And adding essential oils to add a pleasing scent is also common. You want your water temperature to be between 101 to 103 Fahrenheit or 39 degrees centigrade, and you're going to need 1 to 4 cups. Now, as a foot soak, just like a bath, you can soak your feet or legs in warm water with magnesium chloride. And that's going to take 1 to 3 cups. So you can see why magnesium oil is a much more affordable solution. Now, mineral salts have been used for many years as a natural odor blocker. Magnesium oil works as a non-toxic deodorant too. Now, I did a video on using diluted milk of magnesia as a deodorant, and I will be switching to the mineral oil. Magnesium chloride is available on Amazon, and it is normally called magnesium bath flakes. And you can support my channel by following my link in the description bar. And you might be an herbalist if you are making magnesium oil. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these great tips.